Welcome to the post-game press conference. We are here with the winning coach, Coach Renzi Bahar, and best player of the game, William Navarro. Coach, I'll start with you. In the first half, it seemed like some players were rattled by the moment. Kaya sabi mo nga, challenge nyo sila to dig deep and fight through it. In the second half, Aline, Cade, and of course, William really stepped up in key moments. How important was their response in securing this hard-fought win?
First of all, we would like to thank the Lord for giving us this win. No? Yun lang, every time naman, like what I said a while ago, yung sa'yo, na every time na, every practice namin, challenge ni Coach Bonnie, especially the second group. Because going to the playoffs, Arvin, Josh, and even Kadim, okay, pinaghahandaan na yan ng team. So that's why we need everybody to be involved. Not only in the defense but also in offense. In the first half, siguro masyado kaming tight. The same time, gusto namin kaagad na manalo in the first quarter pa lang. That's why, siyempre, pinagandaan na yan. Ganda rin ng depensa ng Magnolia. Okay, so, kumbaga, number 1 defensive team sila for this conference. So, aware naman kami dun. That's why, on the second half, we adjust. And the same time, kung ano yung binigay ng Magnolia sa amin ng first half, yun din yung binigay namin sa kanila ng second half, which is what? Yung hustle, energy, the same time yung pressure defense din namin going to the second half. Kaya nakahabol kami on the third quarter.
Thank you, Coach Renzi. William, the coaches challenged you to step up in the second half, and you really came through in the third quarter, plus that crucial rebound in the fourth. What do you think sparked that surge, and how were you able to stay locked in during such a pivotal part of the game?
And honestly, it's not even about me. Like, it's about the team effort. So, yun, I'm just happy na everyone, like on the second half, like we share the ball. So that's a key factor. And then, nakita sa court. So yeah.